Hey everyone, it is me, Ahmed, and today we are unboxing this Hot Wheels recolor of Dimachinni Veloce with Turquoise, red and white stripe with red wheels from retro racers to 10 with 5 out of 250. Iconic race cars from the past always competition ready. There's a Goodyear trademark, Bell trademark, and Sparkle trademark. Okay, let's unbox this car. The code says S2. S9, that's the code. S2, that's the code. Okay, let's reveal this. Front, we have no detail with black hood, travel side, rear, and passenger side, and the roof. And that is cool, and that is a good looking car. Okay? Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.